So this is a 2016 Honda Odyssey. We called around, well, we looked on the internet multiple times trying to see if anybody else had this problem. So we want to tell you what we found out. Our brake was freezing. We had a push to start van, and when we would touch the brake and push start, it would just have power come on. Well, we had that happen, and we tried, multiple times to get it to start. It would not start, but the brake was very hard, like it was frozen, like the power brakes weren't working. So we left the car, kind of let it reset, came back to it, it started. That happened 2 different incidences, but the third one, it would not start at all. And we were looking on the internet like crazy, trying to figure out if anybody had had this happen. The brake is hard and frozen in place. It would not hardly depress at all. The start button would start the electrical system but would not start the car. So it was not the battery. It didn't seem to be the starter, but the brakes were frozen. So some people would say it was the brakes, some people would say it was the starter, but what we found out when we had it towed, after it got stuck in place for a day and a half, we found that it was a safety system and the switch had failed. Apparently it was on the fritz for the other 2 times, but it was able to jostle back in place or something. I don't know, but it reset and we could start it. But that third time it would not start. But it is apparently some kind of safety feature, and there is a very inexpensive switch that can be replaced to eliminate the problem.